experience with the hesitancy of asking questions, or the concept of asking the wrong question, is a reflection on the person who's answering the question. I find that the more someone knows something, the easier it is to answer a basic question. And if someone doesn't understand something and just simply is asking a basic question, if there is an understanding of that, then the explanation comes easily. If there isn't an understanding, then there's a threat, like I'm going to expose myself for not knowing this answer to a seemingly simple question, where in actuality, I don't know myself. I don't know the answer to your simple question. So rather than admit that I don't know, and that's probably a good question that we can all dwell on and should embrace, I'm threatened, and I say, you shouldn't ask such stupid questions. So usually if someone's getting upset about answering a question or saying that it's a stupid question, you shouldn't ask questions like that, is actually telling you they don't know. They're fronting an opinion of self-importance, and they're threatened by a simple question that they can't answer. Rather than being honest and saying, I can't answer that question, they come up with being offended, and this is unfortunate because it especially with children ask very simple questions sometimes. How do I know God exists? Oh, that's a stupid question. God exists. You know, it's like, well, yeah, but I want to know. It's like, yes, I know. A true person who is reflective on this would go, well, you know, and they would answer the question according to how they feel. You know, does God exist? How do I know God exists? I don't know. How about that? Maybe we should come to know ourselves the answer to this question, you know, in a beautiful romantic way, or scientific way, or logical way, or a way based on passion and love. You know, there's many aspects to this answer to this one simple question. The what is Sufism? What is Sufism? That's a very complex question. A lot of people would want to say, oh, there's an easy answer. It's the spiritual aspect of Islam. I can't stand that answer. It's like saying, well, Islam has no spirituality unto its own, so you have to be a Sufi in order to be spiritual. That's baloney. So questions that would lead to a deep inquiry, or should be encouraged, not discouraged.